everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. You guys know it makes me so damn happy that you guys always stop by to watch my videos. You guys know it makes me happy. Well, today's video, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a review for this month's Boxycharm, because if you guys follow me in social media, you guys know how mad I was with them. And I was like, okay, what the hell, let's review it, let's talk shit, So if you want to know what's my final thought on this October's Boxycharm, please keep watching. Alrighty then, if you're new here and you like what you see, not just kidding. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you guys can get more updates of when I post a new video. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's my mirror, so yeah. So if you're a recent subscriber, you've been with me for such a long time, thank you so much for always supporting me and following me in this journey of watching all my videos and liking them. We're almost there at 2K subscribers, so I'll be doing a giveaway, and some of the items that I got on my Boxycharm are be going to my giveaway. Notice about the box is the size of the box. This is the new size, and this was the old size. You guys can see the big difference. But when you open the box, it's the same shit. Well, the difference between is this right here, the Boxycharm logo. But I mean, there's still space in here. I mean, it's a waste of space to me, It had two of the foamy things already in here, so it was using some of the space, so to make it seem that it was big, but it's not big, it's actually small. It's the same shit. Well, this month's Boxycharm was actually called After Dark, and it came with the Tartarus Pro Glow Cheek Palette. If you guys follow me on social media, I was supposed to get the Doso color, but I got this instead. I already have it. I don't use blush, so I don't know. I was mad, I was pissed off, but you guys know me. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. I was supposed to get the iconic setting spray, but I got this one instead. Then, okay, if you're sending an email to choose what you want to choose for your next month, shouldn't I have gotten the iconic setting spray? I choose the iconic, but and then we have the iconic London Lip Plumbing Gloss. I said it many times, I don't want lipsticks anymore. I'm tired of lipsticks and mascaras. I don't want those anymore. And we got the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. Okay, I'm not mad. And then we got the Shella Slanted Tip Tweezers. Why the hell do I need tweezers? Why are you sending tweezers? I mean, we already got like 2 tweezers. Like, why do we need tweezers? We can just go to fucking Dollar Tree and get a tweezer. Why are we getting tweezers in a subscription box? I mean, it shouldn't. Fucking hair. It shouldn't be like. We shouldn't be getting those things that we can actually be going to the drugstore or the 99-cent store. Fucking anywhere you can get a tweezers. But why are we getting tweezers on our subscription boxes? That's what pisses me off. But it's okay. First item on the box. So the first item on the box is Touch and Soul. It's actually a glossy, pretty filter. So I'm not sure if this is a primer or... I think this is the third item I have gotten from Touch and Soul. I'm not mad because, it's okay, I needed some lotion and shit. So I love this, it's pretty. So see the glossy thing right here, and then the filter, glassy skin balm. It says here it's in Korean. Okay, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm. Okay, so it's a primer, sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. It's a primer, I guess. How to use: at the last step of skincare routine, apply evenly to the face. Okay, so let's wait. Am I opening it right? It's like this. Oh, okay. I love this. That's pretty crazy. Oh, that's okay. So it feels hydrating, like it said, and then it smells nice. Use this as a primer. I mean, I'm gonna try it. Wow, I'm gonna give you guys a difference. Wait, I haven't put any like lotion, hand lotion, so I'm gonna show you guys the difference. That's pretty crazy. So this is with the lotion and this is without the lotion. Look at how dry my skin is. And look right here. That looks pretty nice. Okay, I'm not. And the tweezers are from Chela. That's how you spell it? Chela. That's not bad. It's kind of similar to the other tweezers that I got, but that's kind of crazy how the form is. Okay, I'll give it a try. The iconic London lip plumbing, but this product is gonna be going to my giveaway, but then I don't really want to. The reason why, they didn't come with the seal. They will usually lip plumbing and lipsticks and shit like that, it comes with the seal, but this one didn't come with the seal. I don't want to open it. I'm not gonna open it. I haven't opened it because I want to put this in my giveaway. So this is gonna be going to the giveaway, but I like the color. I actually did use a lip plumbing and it was from Milani, and it gives you like a minty flavor, and I was like, oh, okay. Now here we have the Becca under eye brightening setting powder. I've been needing something like this, that's why I wasn't really that mad. It kind of looks like the setting powder, but then with this one is kind of like similar. See? Pretty cool. When I want to set my primer, my eye primer, I could probably use this. This is pretty cool. Okay, I'm not mad. I did wanted the Dose of Color palette. I just wanted that one. I wanted the Snow Angels. I really like that palette, but I didn't get it. We got these here. We have another item that I'm gonna be putting on my giveaway. Of course, I already have one. It's a Tarte's Pro Glow, and this one is a Tarte's Pro Glow and blush. Use blush, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'm gonna be putting this one in the giveaway. Why not? So a lucky subscriber and supporter is gonna get this palette. Let's open this up. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch the inside. It comes with the film. The film! Not touching it, not touching it. Okay, so it comes with bronzers, highlighters, and blush. I don't use blush like I said, so I'm not gonna use. So it's gonna be going to the giveaway. I don't want to touch it, not touching, that's gonna close it. Okay, so in the back it comes with the it comes with the colors: hi-fi, solo, electric, beat, tempo, and amp. So this right here is gonna go to a lucky subscriber. The lucky person's gonna get this. It's pretty, I mean, no. And okay, so you guys know, ay, pinche chichona, tapate. Okay, so you guys know I was really mad with the whole thing that I was supposed to get something but didn't get it. So Boxycharm reached out to me and they told me that I'll be getting something special for me in my next November box, and it was something from Becca. It was a skin something. I hope it's a primer. I love primers, as you guys know, so I hope it's gonna be something good. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. subscribe down below, follow me on social media, Instagram, WordPress, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. And also let me know what you think about this box, what you think about everything that I got. Let me know if it happened to you. Did you get the same box? Have you gotten did anybody get the same box? I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I think just make it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.